Face milling cutters effectively generate flat surfaces at high speeds with the spindle axis perpendicular to the work surface. Face mills range from about 3 inches to 2 feet in diameter. In face milling, the cutter body has multiple pockets to accept a variety of insert types. Metal is removed by the peripheral edge of the insert, and its bottom edge cleans up the work surface and produces the surface finish. Milling edges, shoulders, and grooves may use a combination of end, peripheral, and/or face milling operations. Edges may involve 1 or 2 surfaces, and the operation may be called edging. Shoulders typically have 2 surfaces. Grooves usually have 3 surfaces and may be closed at one end or open at both ends. Grooves may be cut on internal and external flat surfaces as well as round surfaces. Peripheral milling cutters have cutting edges on their periphery which are parallel with the axis of rotation. Peripheral milling is advantageous for long open slots and forms. End mill cutters are round shank tools with cutting edges on their periphery and end. The axis of rotation is perpendicular to the surface produced by the end of the tool. Its size is measured by diameter and cutting depth capability. Since end mills cut more with the teeth on their periphery than with the teeth at their end, they are susceptible to lateral forces. This makes them subject to deflection, which reduces the accuracy of the piece milled and can lead to tool breakage. Short, shallow slots are often done with end mills. Deep, narrow slots may be milled with an end mill, a thin slitting cutter, or a grooving cutter. Grooving or slotting cutters are generally more efficient than end mills in cutting long and deep slots because of their larger diameter and greater number of teeth. Chamfers may be produced with the chamfering end mill, which breaks the sharp edges of the workpiece with a 45-degree angle cut. Chamfers can also be generated using end mills, form peripheral milling cutters, long edge cutters, or face mills angled 45 degrees to the work surface.